Welcome back to Bit News. We're going to look at some numbers today, and first of all, though, let's look at the advantages of using Bitcoin. Access to the global financial world. That's, in my mind, that's the main one, because in a lot of countries, cash payments even are being phased out. You can't even use cash money anymore. Have you experienced that? I've experienced places where you can't use money. You've got to have a card. If you don't have a card, you don't exist. And in the next few years, anyone without access to a bank account and a credit card will be cut off from the rest of the financial world, except how does one become part of the global financial system? As we say, cash isn't going to work. Locally it will, but not if you want to buy something or send money to someone who's not close by. In some regions, it's virtually impossible to get a bank account, as we've talked about in earlier episodes of this. In the Philippines, only 40% of people have a bank account. In Papua New Guinea, only 20% of people have a bank account. However, a lot of these people do have mobile phones. If they're smartphones, they have access to the internet. Bitcoin is then the next step, the next logical step to gain access to a global financial ecosystem. It's the only global digital payment solution in the world today, because you know there are over 700 cryptocurrencies. Some of them are worth less than zero, I think. But Bitcoin is the only global digital payment system. There's nothing you can't pay for in Bitcoin. I mean, sometimes you need to use an intermediary step, something like gift card, GIFT gift card. You can buy that with Bitcoin and spend it virtually anywhere. So combined with its ease of storing and accessing, Bitcoin is the one option that makes the most sense for financial inclusion. So let's do some more numbers about Bitcoin. It's demonstrated a huge rate of growth in terms of the market cap and the user base. Blockchain, a popular Bitcoin wallet platform, recorded over 6 million new users in the past 12 months. Other competing wallet platforms have also shown a rapid growth rate. Coinbase, which is the main one here in the United States, that serves over 6 million users. So between just those two, Coinbase and blockchain, just those two alone are currently serving nearly 20 million wallet users. That's a big number. Apart from these regular day-to-day users, there exist many investors in regulated Bitcoin exchanges and trading platforms such as Bitflyer, Bitfinex, and Bitstamp. They hold Bitcoin as an investment. The user base of Bitcoin is larger than many countries, not just little tiny countries. Norway and Finland, they're pretty substantial countries. The market cap of Bitcoin is higher than the majority of fiat currencies in the world. If you're unsure what a market cap is, it's just a short fancy term for market capitalization. It's just the stock or share of a commodity multiplied by the number of users. In the case of Bitcoin, it's just the price of the value of the Bitcoin, which let's say it's $1,000 and there's 16 million users, then the market cap is $16 billion. So it's that simple. Stock price by the number of users. Right now, it's more than $19 billion, which means that Bitcoin has a higher market cap than the currencies of, listen to some of this, Bolivia, Paraguay, Papua New Guinea, we mentioned earlier, Thailand, Laos, Nigeria, and many, many more. So Bitcoin is big, getting bigger. As we speak, in the time I've sat here and told you about these numbers, Bitcoin is growing rapidly and it's going to continue to grow, and you need to get some Bitcoin and you need to learn the best way to profit from it. And we have that information on bitnews.us. So you need to check it out, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us. Thanks.